Hello guys and welcome to this channel Programming Fever. So today I will show you how you can use OpenWeather API to get the weather information using Python. So first you need to create your free account on openweathermap.org. After this you have to come on this section API. After this open that doc, current weather documentation. After this scroll down and copy this API. Now I am showing you how you can get the information of the weather for particular city. So for this example I am using Mumbai and you need to enter your API key. When you will create your account, then in this section my API is key, you can check your API. So this is my API key. I copied this API and I will paste this API here. Now click on enter. Now you can see we got all information related to the weather for the city Mumbai. Okay, now we will use this API to get all the information in our Python script. So first create a script. Now first import toLibrary. Now after this define a variable API key and paste your API key here. After this create the base URL. Take a new variable city name and use input to get input from user. Enter your city. Okay. After this we will append our city with the base URL. So now I am creating here complete URL and we will use first base URL. So after city name we need this ampersand and app ID and this equals to sign. So copy this also and append in this. After this we need our API key. So for this, this will make our complete URL. Now we will use this URL to get the response. Now this will be our response object. To change it to the JSON format, we will use let's run it again. Now I am entering city Mumbai. So you can see we get all the information related to the weather for city Mumbai. Okay, now I want to fetch the data for the temperature max, minimum and feels like. So what we will do, so you can see it is inside that main. For that main this dictionary is defined. So we will use this main keyword to access all these values. Okay. So for this I will use main here to access main dictionary. After this we want to access current temperature. So for this we will use temp and define here current temperature. Okay. Let me show you by run it. So you can see here current temperature in the Kelvin. Similarly, I can print for the feels like, maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Let's run it again. So you can see here everything is print. So if this video helps you, then hit the like button for me and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.